sometimes the wheel it's not running true. In other words, when you spin the wheel, just leave the bike, spin the wheel, or even when you run the wheel, you see the wheel moves slightly to one side rhythmically on a certain frequency. And that it's not necessarily because of the spokes adjustment. It's oftentimes when you mount a tire, what happens if, so you have the tire bed on each side. If one of the beds it's not fully pushing aligned with the rim, inside the rim, so let's imagine this bed, at some point on the tire it sits more towards the center. When you are going to inflate the tire, what happens is the tire will pull with that bed to one side, or maybe pull, the pressure is going to be more on the other side, less on this side, and that alone will push the rim to not run through. So just the tire mount alone, it can be a problem. So just bear that in mind. You might want to deflate the tire, make sure the bed it's really running against the rim all around the tire. Just bear that in mind. It's rare that the spokes themselves need to be adjusted, which by the way, it's difficult to do. Don't try it unless you know how to do it.